Good Monday makers, and welcome back to another episode of Maker Pipe Monday. We've got 5 great builds from the community to showcase today, and I'm really excited, so let's jump right into it. First up, we've got a great tip from Doug, and he commented on a couple of our YouTube videos with a really cool idea. He said that half-inch IMC conduit has a 0.009 difference in diameter from 3/4 inch EMT conduit, which means it would fit really well inside really snug. So we wanted to test it out. We went to our local electrical supply house and picked up some IMC conduit and tested it out. And it was kind of tough for long spans of IMC to fit in there. You definitely have to deburr the 3/4 inch conduit and make sure there's no or burr or anything like that on the IMC. But it did go together, and we definitely would recommend it for a shorter span if you wanted to do a nice joint connection between 2 pieces of conduit to really make a rigid joint. So you could get a short piece of half-inch IMC and maybe put it about, I don't know, 6 inches inside of 2 pieces of conduit. And we just kind of hit it on the ground. If you've got longer pieces of conduit, that may not work, but it does fit really well over it, and it had a really strong, snug fit. So that's a really cool trick from Doug. We're happy that he shared that. That was fun to test and fun to see work. So if you're looking to do a joint connection, that's a really great option. Next up is a project from Josh, and this is really exciting. He has what he calls the box shop, and this is a retired shipping container. As you can see, kind of a sneak peek of the canopy that he built. But he has this really cool workshop in his backyard that's made out of a shipping container. And you can kind of see here it is without the canopy. He said it gets really warm. I think he lives out west in Arizona, I want to say, but he wanted to make a canopy, and this was kind of his first mock-up of the mini model that he did, and he made a really amazing canopy that kind of sits on this side of the shop that heats up a lot from the sun. And so you can see he's got his maker pipe there, got his 3/4 inch conduit, and he even fabricated some really great joints that actually connect to the end clamp on from the adjustable angle connector. But this is it. This is the canopy that he did for the outside of his shop, and it's so clean. Looks really nice. He used some silver adjustable angles. And here's some kind of close-ups from this side. You can see it's got the sunshade spread out and it's hooked on the top there. I'm not sure. I think we can see in the close-up. But on this side, he's got a nice clip that goes inside of the end of conduit. And I'm blanking on what that's called. But he's got this hook that's just pulling it tight and going into the end of conduit. He's got T connectors going across for a little bit of side-to-side support. That's an adjustable angle connector that's allowing to make this triangle here. And then to connect the canopy to the shop box or box shop, he's got this custom fabricated kind of adjustable flange, which is really cool. And it's bolted directly to the shipping container. And then he's got the end clamp from the adjustable angle connector bolted directly to that. And it's such a great solution and a really good way to achieve that angle that he needed for the canopy. That's a really cool project. Definitely check out his TikTok. He has a lot of great videos and projects that he does for makers and things like that. So definitely check it out. It's Two Tool Designs on TikTok. He's also on Instagram. So definitely check out Josh and see what he's doing. It's some great stuff. Also on Instagram is Hank the Tank. Now we've been talking a lot about his project. We love seeing the updates he's been sharing. He's taking a Honda Element and converting it into a adventure kind of camping rig, and he's doing something really cool with Maker Pipe. He's got a convertible bed that's also going to have a sliding drawer, as you can see here, and it's kind of a modular bed that folds out and has a drawer in it as well. And his latest addition to this is his kitchen, and he's got a grill here with a Coleman grill. He's got drawers, so this can all be folded in together, and then it slides inside of the Maker Pipe frame using a really cool trick that he did with some eye hooks and some tube inserts and things like that. And definitely check out his post in the community or on Instagram. It's Hank the Tank 724 because we love seeing this project, and he's got some great ideas if you're looking to save some space and do some modular things like this inside of a camper conversion. So thanks so much, Jason, for sharing the updates. Keep them coming. We love seeing it. Next up is a review from Tyree. He said he works with electrical conduit all the time. He is an electrician. We love to hear electricians who work with conduit all the time and they find Maker Pipe and kind of use it for DIY home stuff too. We love hearing that, so that's really cool. And Tyree left this review, and he said he had a really good experience, happy with the quality of the fittings and the ease of use, which is great. We're glad he had a good experience. And he shared this really simple table. So you can see he's got 4 90-degree connectors here at the bottom to kind of make this rectangle shape. And then he's got the same shape up here with 4 more silver 90s at the top. And he's using some T's side to side And he just added some wood shelves, and it looks really good. He even notched out the corners so it sits really well in against the pipe. And it's just a really great, simple shelf. And it's really awesome to hear that you had a good experience, Tyree. Thanks so much for sharing that with us. The last build we have this week is from Alex, and this is a great rolling kayak stand that he built for his garage. So if you don't know, Alex, I think Folguera, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but he posts a lot of awesome kayak stuff. If you're into kayaking, definitely check out his channel. He's done some things where he converted an air mattress into a boat.
Dude, oh my god, it's working. Oh my god.
He has a lot of fun. It's a great channel. But he said he needed a way to kind of store his kayaks whenever he's not out on the water. And he's got so many boats in his garage, it's just taking up so much space. So he wanted to make a rolling cart that he could use to kind of roll around his kayak and keep him off the ground, keep him out of his garage, out of the way, and he can make it where he can roll him around really easily. So he did this full video where he kind of went through exactly how he built it and went over the connectors and really showed some really great behind the scenes details. He's doing all kinds of cool projects, not just the MakerPipe one, but just in general. He does a lot of great stuff. So definitely check it out. We'll link it down in the description. Just like all the builds, they're all linked down below if you want to check them out for more details. I hope you enjoyed these builds. I love seeing them every week, so keep on sharing them. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.